Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fail to verify identity on PrizePicks. Now, if you are trying to verify yourself or verify your identity on PrizePicks, but it's still not happening and there is an error coming saying fail to verify it, then there may be various reasons behind it. So to fix it, you need to simply watch the video till the very end. So let's get started. Now, if you are trying to fix a fail to verify identity error on PrizePicks, then make sure to double check that you have submitted a clear, valid identification documents with matching information. Now, if you have submitted your document and the name is different while you have created an account or while submitting, then if you have kept a different name, then there may be also error behind it and your verification may not be work. And make sure that there is a proper lighting and there is no blurs while sending the photo. Then the PrizePicks customer care may not be able to verify that you are the one you are sending the identification document. So there may be that may be also the reason to fail to verify your identity. Now, you may also take the key step like you need to review your submitted documents and ensure that you have uploaded a government issue ID like driver license or passport, and you need to also match the information you have entered on PrizePicks and make sure that your image is also clean and crystal clear so that they can respond and verify your identity as soon as possible. Now, the other thing you can do is contact PrizePicks support. To contact the PrizePicks you may also open Google Chrome on a device and you need to simply search customer service or PrizePicks supports, and here you'll see the option of help center. So click on it and here you'll see various options like this. So you may also click on the live support, and here you need to click on the option of chat now, or you may also join the Discord. So if you want to chat with them right now, then click on it, and here you may send, and you need to click on the option of get started to begin. So it may take some time. Wait, so they are responding back. So here they will give you a certain option, and here you may click on the option of something else, or you may click on the option of account. So click on it and talk with them to fix the PrizePicks identification error on your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.